G'day guys, my name's Ethan.
I'm Kristen and this is K&E Adventures.
G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of K&E Adventures. Today we're heading up the dunes of Lancelin with Corrupt Crew. So yeah, weather's looking a bit rainy, but we'll see how we go. So sit back, crack a tin and enjoy it. Let's go, eh? Alrighty, pulling up to the Lancelin sand dunes. Still a bit moist, a bit wet. Probably going to be a bit busy as well by the looks of it. Oh. Alrighty, just got here to Lancelin sand dunes. Just airing down the tyres real quick. Probably going to go down to about 12 pounds. I reckon these dunes will be pretty soft, and then we're just waiting for the rest of the Corrupt crew to rock up. And then we'll go for it, eh? Everyone has finally arrived at the meetup point. We've all aired down. Yeah, caught a quick break with the rain. But yeah, now that we've all aired down, we're heading the track now. So we'll see how we go, eh? Hit a few sand dunes.
Having technical difficulties, hold on.
Oh, come on.
I'm just a girl.
Just turn the knob that says 4Drive. Yeah, buddy. Jump in.
Oh my god, Ethan.
That's just soft, though.
Oh, Jesse went straight over it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the shorter one. Come on, Jesse, do the steeper one. So you can get up it.
Hold on, I'll just get out of the way so we can watch others come up. Yeah, buddy.
Taxi?
Like Ice Cube said, you can do it, put your back into it. You can do it, put your ass into it. Come on!
are currently just driving through the bush at the moment.
A bit of exploring.
Yeah, we just went along the beach really quick, which was quite narrow. We didn't actually stay out there long, but now we're just driving through here, and I think the plan is to go to the pub.
Quick pub feed, and yeah, it should be good. Yeah, the pile was a bit too high, so we're not too far on that section, so just back onto the bush track, make our way back to the dunes, to the pub. Big day out in Lado. All the boys are pretty knackered. Had some good fun in the dunes, so now we're all heading to the pub for a debrief.
Hello, hello, hello.
G'day guys, welcome back to day 2. Today we're heading up Whitehills with a couple mates. We're going to go set up camp. We just aired down tyres, so going to go for a bit of a play, and then yeah, we'll set up camp and go from there.
Not good for him. The snatch me out, bro.
No, Bryce, we got you.
Oh, there you go, go, go.
Oh, that's the horsepower. Come on, boys. That's the guy you want, boys. There you go.
That's hilarious. Oh my days, we're sliding. It's a lot better than normal, actually.
Yeah. no. I'm being recorded. No, not here. Let me go back. Go back. Oh, up there. Oh, no. Oh. Welcome back to another episode of Kenny Adventures.
Go on, keep going.
Whoa! Welcome back to another episode of Kenny Adventures. This episode we are yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna hand it to everyone and they're gonna say their piece. Say, is that what you wanna say?
Welcome to Candy Adventures. Don't give him more, Bossy. Don't give him more. I don't know how many.
Oh, yeah!
Good morning.
Good morning, next day.
Yes, it is the next day now.
More driving.
More driving. We are going to take the lead.
with you, man. Let's go.
Here in the Lancelin sand dunes, just airing down the tyres real quick. What was that? Chippies.
Chicken burger.
Price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign or peace of mind. This I've come to quote.
I had some help. It ain't like I can hit the chorus. It ain't like I can say that the first time you're doing it again. Okay. Do it again. Do it under your camera.